Oh, hi! You join me in my Tesla Model 3, or should I say, my office. This is so cool. I am checking out the Jowua desk for doing some work here in the car. My son is doing some Taekwondo. I figured, you know what? I've got 45 minutes. I'm gonna sit in the comfort of my air-conditioned Tesla, get some work done, and I'm gonna edit a video for Tesla Tips and Trips, and I'm going to make a video for this desk. So more details coming up. Keep it here. All right, time now for another unboxing. This time, the Jowua Foldable car tray. I've been actually excited to get this product from Jowua because I spent a lot of time in my car waiting for my kids at Taekwondo and baseball, and I actually edit a lot of the YouTube videos that I make here on the channel at Tesla Tips and Trips in my car. And so having a desk situation is definitely going to be a little more comfortable, I think, because right now I'm using my lap sitting in the passenger seat. So let's get this guy open and see exactly what we're looking at here. This is the Jowua Foldable car tray. Again, you can always go to our coupon code, and we've got 5% off for any Jowua product. So far, everything I've taken a look at from Jowua, top notch, good stuff, quality stuff. It feels like you spent your money well. And so, I mean, this one is designed to fit the Tesla Model 3 and Y front seats and provide comfortable space for working and mealtime. Oh yeah, I guess you could use it for eating too. So let's get this guy open. As you know on the channel, I always like to unbox in front of you. There is a product coming up. I don't know if we're gonna do an unboxing because it came open, which is weird. I don't know if it was because it was a review unit or not. So here we go. Gonna open this right in front of you. You can see here here's all the details. Perfect match, designed to work. I already read that one. Easy install and storage, foldable hinge design, open and fold. You can store it in the front trunk. Oh, we gotta try that out. That's cool. That's a cool feature. Again, that's another thing I like about this company is they put some thought into the design of these products, and it kind of sometimes you get a feature you didn't expect. Stylish design. The wood pattern design specifically matches your Tesla interior. Well, it doesn't match my interiors because I've already messed with that. Premium materials. Well, I come to expect that from Jowua. So let's get this thing open. Everything they seem to have also comes nicely packaged. Oh, I haven't even seen this thing before. They sent me an email saying, hey, you know, we noticed you're doing some great stuff on the channel, and we appreciate your hard work, and we want to send you some stuff that just came out, some new stuff that we have. This is one of those products, and I can already, just feeling it, tactile-wise, feels nice. Oh my gosh, look at the hinges on this thing. Never thought I'd say that on a YouTube channel. These are really high quality. So there's rubber pads on either side here. I don't know if you can see that here. This is rubber. It's smaller than I thought. Seems to be made of particle board, which I would fully expect. This wood is dulled. It's not as in your face as I would expect. It's got the Jowua logo, of course, here, right there. It's heavier than I expected. And we're going to definitely check out one of the features that they promise, and that is fitting in the front trunk, because that is kind of a game changer. I wasn't sure where to store this thing. I will, I think, use this a lot. So, oh, these have tabs to take off, as most new products do. They've got some plastic things here. So we'll go ahead and take those off. One on each side of the, I guess it's so the hinges don't scratch in shipping. Easier said than done, I know, right? I don't know if that's wood or not. It feels kind of rubbery. All right, so we got all the plastic off of these hinges here. I'm pretty sure, like I said, probably for shipping. So it folds real nice, feels real solid. This is what the hinges look like here. Real nice. So next up, I'm gonna take this in the real world and see exactly how this fits in the car, how it fits in the frunk, because that's one of the features they promised. And yeah, we're gonna check this thing out and use it real world. There you go. The Jowua car table. Is that the official name of it? Foldable car tray. There you go. Where are you going to keep this thing to make it convenient then, huh? Well, you could keep it in the trunk. Of course, that's not, you know, if you've got other things going on in there, groceries or everyday items, you don't want to do that. So how about in the frunk? Take a look at how easily this thing fits in there. All right, so let's open up the frunk and take a look. All right, walking toward the frunk. Oh, check this out. Now, obviously, this is probably an unintended consequence for this actually fitting properly inside the car and using it for that. But look at how amazingly snug it fits inside the frunk of a 2019 Tesla Model 3. I will have video of how it looks in a Tesla Model Y as well. But you could keep it there nice and flat and still store a ton of stuff above it. Or you can fold it in half. Check this out. And it takes up even less space. Very well designed. Good job, Jowua. Okay, so in the Tesla Model Y, it does fit similarly to the Model 3, but there's a space here. It's kind of raised. So what I would probably do is fold it in half. And I think then, it wasn't raised because of that. It was raised anyway. Yeah, so it doesn't quite fit the same as it does in a Model 3 for some reason. But I mean, you could still make do. You could also put it in there like that if you have other stuff here or whatever. So that's what it looks like in the Model Y. This, by the way, is a battery jump starter kit that I always carry around. And you probably say, well, why is it in the frunk? This is a bonus tip for you guys watching the channel. It has nothing to do with the desk, but hey, you're gonna get bonus tips out of me. So what the deal is if let's say you have a completely dead Tesla, the 12-volt battery, which is located in here, you can't open the doors, you can't do anything. What you do is you open this little guy here, and inside there's two wires. You can actually jump start the frunk with a 9-volt battery. That will pop the frunk up here. Then you'll have access to this, and you can, you know, take this out and actually jump start the car. Anyway, has nothing to do with this. And that's how the Jowua desk fits in a Y. Not as elegant, but I mean, that's not Jowua's doing on how Tesla designed the frunks. All right, so this is the very first time I am getting inside the car in the passenger seat with the Jowua desk. And we're gonna see exactly how we fit and how it looks and all that fun stuff. So here we go. Like we always like to do on the channel, we like to do it the first time on camera, so it's as if you were getting it for the first time as well. So I'm gonna unfold it. And kind of just sit down with it. And so I'll close the door. Yeah, I think we need the door. Oh yeah, I can see where the notches go. So the notches, there are two notches. There's one here and there's one on the other side. That goes in the door handle. And I think this one goes on top here. And I'm gonna need to send the seat back a little bit. Here we go. Oh, much better. Much better. So I had to move the seat back. So this rests on the armrest and this armrest, both sides here, this side and on the actual armrest. I haven't tried the driver's seat just yet. I've got my laptop here. You do have to have the seat pretty far back for it to be comfortable. And there you go. Very sturdy. Let me see if I can roll this back a little bit. Very sturdy as it sits. Let's open up the laptop and see how that goes. And I'm working. This is it. This is awesome. So I am not only I'm making a video here. I'm about to edit a different video. That's how much we're working here on Tesla Tips and Trips. So that's how it looks on the passenger side of a Tesla Model 3 from 2019, which is pretty much the same even to today's models. So there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this. I'm working as if I'm in my desk, comfort of my own car, feet all the way up. This is awesome stuff. I'm checking out this awesome channel here, Tesla Tips and Trips. So cool. All right, I'm still working in my car. Just wanted to give you some final thoughts on the Jowua desk for Tesla. Man, I've only used this thing once. So far, so good. It's very solid. It feels very nice. I've got my arms up here. I've got my laptop up here. I'm getting work done. Make sure you have your seat all the way back to be the most comfortable, because there's this notch here that goes where the door handle goes, and having the seat back definitely helps. So if you like this device, if you want to check it out for yourself, we've got the discount codes down below, and you can use our coupon code for 5% off of anything on the Jowua store, not just this. And man, so far so good. This is very convenient. I love the storage aspect of it, putting it in the frunk, because the consensus is online that, you know, the frunk is useless. You don't use it for anything. Well, now you've got a place to put your desk. And if you're a parent like me and you spend a lot of time waiting for baseball games, waiting for taekwondo, waiting for code to finish, well, all this stuff, you spend some time in your car, and now you can put it to good use. I've got my hotspot for my phone, sending internet to my laptop. I'm editing Tesla Tips and Trips videos nice and easily. So that's it. Man, this is great. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us on the channel, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we will catch you on the next one. Whether it's a review, a trip, a tip, no matter what, we are doing all kinds of stuff here on the channel. Catch you next time.